Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. I am Miss Sneha. I am going to teach you environmental science. In today's session, we are going to start with our first chapter, that is our Earth and our solar system. So, welcome to this online session. When we look up from an open ground, we see the sky. In a clear night sky, that is when there are no clouds, we can see many stars. They are very far away from the earth. Some stars are prominent, that is they appear very clear, while some are tiny and faint. If we look at them carefully, we find that many of them twinkle, but some they do not. The sun is the closest star to the earth, that is, it is very near to the earth, and therefore we see it as a very big star. So we can also see its clear round shape. The moon is also very close to the earth, and therefore we can also see its round shape clearly on the full moon day. The sun, the moon, the stars, the planets are all known as heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies are the bodies which we see in the sky. The heavenly bodies that twinkle are called as stars. Stars have their own light. They appear very small as they are very far away from the earth. Remember, the sun is also a star, but it is very close to the earth and hence it appears very big and brilliant. During the daytime, we cannot see other stars, although they are present in the sky. It is just because of the bright light of the sun. The sun shines so brightly that we cannot see other stars in its presence. Some of the heavenly bodies they do not twinkle. They are called as planets. They don't have their own light. Then from where do they get their light? Yes, they get their light from the stars. Stars have their own light. The planets they revolve around a star. Here also you can see that planets they are revolving around the sun. Sun is a star. They also rotate on their own axis. The sun, which is a star, and the planets all together they form the solar system. Our Earth is a planet. It gets its light from the sun. It moves around the sun. Its movement around the sun is called the revolution of the Earth, and its movement around its own axis is called as rotation of the Earth. Besides Earth, there are 7 other planets in the solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So, in total, there are 8 planets in the solar system. Now, each and every planet, it revolves around the sun along a specific path. That is, there is a specific path for each and every planet. This specific path is called as planet's orbit. A planet does not leave its orbit and therefore all the planets they keep on revolving around the sun without meeting an accident. Other heavenly bodies are satellites, dwarf planets and asteroids. Now we will study them one by one in detail. Some heavenly bodies revolve around the planets. These are called as satellites. Satellites too get their light from the sun. They don't have their own light. We see the moon at night. It revolves around the earth. Hence it is called as satellite of the earth. Most of the planets in the solar system have satellites. The planets revolve around the sun along with their satellites, as you can see in this image. Now, do you want to know how many satellites each planet has? Mercury and Venus have 0 number of satellites. That is, satellites are not there for Mercury and Venus. Earth has one satellite, that is Moon. Mars has two. Jupiter has 79 satellites, that is 79 moons. Saturn has 82. Uranus has 27, while Neptune has 14 satellites. So different planets have different number of satellites. Some of the heavenly bodies which revolve around the Sun are called as dwarf planets. You must have heard about the dwarf planet Pluto. There are 5 dwarf planets. After Pluto, Eris, Haumea, Makemake, Ceres, these are the 5 dwarf planets. Dwarf planets, they revolve independently. They also have their own orbits. Between the planets Mars and Jupiter, there is a band of small heavenly bodies. Now this band of small heavenly bodies which are present between Mars and Jupiter are called as asteroids. These asteroids are made up of small rocks, maybe some metals or maybe some other elements. Asteroids, they also revolve around the Sun. As compared to the Sun, other heavenly bodies in the solar system are much smaller. Moon is closest to the Earth, and that is why it appears to be so big, although it is actually very much smaller than the Sun. A diagram of the solar system is given here. The Sun is seen in the center, and other planets and the Moon and other heavenly bodies are present along with their orbits. Thus, the planets, satellites, dwarf planets, asteroids, all together forms the solar system. Now here is a small assignment for you. You have to observe the picture of the solar system and you need to solve the question answers which are given over here. So there are 5 questions in total. So try to find out the answers. If you are having any difficulty, then you can ask me through messages. Okay. So thank you. Have a nice time. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.